In this video, we'll look at the 3D export options for Dimension, including publishing your scenes for the web, using them in augmented reality with Project Aero, or exporting to common 3D formats to take into other 3D applications. To publish a scene, first open the Share menu. Choose the Publish 3D Scene option. Give your project a unique name, then click the Create Public Link button. Dimension will prepare your scene, making it web-friendly. This file will then be synced to your Creative Cloud files, and a public link will be generated. From inside Dimension, you can copy the link to share with others, making it easy to review projects and exchange feedback. You can also embed these 3D scenes on your Behance portfolio or other website. In the upper right corner, click the Share icon. From here, copy the embed code. You can paste the embed code into any website that supports iframes. Embedding Dimension scenes are supported for Behance portfolios. To use a scene or asset in Aero, first select the elements you want to send, use the Share menu, Send to Aero option. Dimension will now prepare your assets for use on mobile. Once your asset is ready, you can choose a location to save the file. The default location is the Creative Cloud Files folder, which is available from inside of Aero as a synced storage option. However, you can also choose another location. Next, open Aero. Browse to the location you saved your file, such as Creative Cloud files. Then add behaviors and view your designs in the real world. Finally, Dimension supports common export formats for both selected objects and the full scene. Format options include Dimension, which is best for exporting objects you intend to use in other Dimension projects without losing any quality. Other formats like OBJ and GLTF are lossy and may not look the same in different applications due to differences in rendering, lighting, and material systems, but do allow you to take your 3D objects into game engines, 3D viewers, and other 3D tools. We hope this video has been helpful in exploring how you can reuse your Dimension projects. We can't wait to see what you make.